why democracy collapsed in Afghanistan, and why democracy is a flawed system of a government as proven in 11th century. The reason why democracy collapsed in Afghanistan, it has got different reasons. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has been in power for the last 4 months. According to educational experts and political analysts, they have got different opinions and words about the fall of long-stood democracy in Afghanistan. The first reason why the government of Afghanistan collapsed was because of the self-centered and selfish measures having been taken by Dr. Ashraf Ghani. The second reason is why the Islamic Democratic government of Afghanistan was toppled was because of the two utterly corrupt elements we had in the system, such as Dr. Fazli and Hamdullah Mohib on very influential positions of the government. The third reason was having disunity among the cabinet members of the government and including disunity among the people of Afghanistan, which was the result of sheer prejudice, discrimination of language differences, and the sense of disparity and personal grudges that we all harbored against each other during the course of the government, right from its inception down to the last day of collapse. The third gravest reason was that democracy has spilled the blood of many Afghans in Afghanistan. It has killed many innocent, having no sin, having no crime, having no responsibility of harming this corrupt system. These people were killed only in order to defend the tried government of these corrupt vermin that I just made mention of. The previous so-called government, and all those having worked, supported, defended the government, have been imposed by the Western Afghan. They only treaded the path that they had been given by the West. In all the groundwork of the system was monitored and ordered by the West. Therefore, when the West could not afford to be here on the soil of Afghanistan, everyone who worked for them deserted the country after their withdrawal. The most pivotal catalyst behind the fall of the government was the resistance, the hardships, the struggle, and the state of being thirsty and hungry we all Afghan went through for many days, in the sacrifices and the blood spilled in the defense of the implementation of Islamic values and for the preservation of the national interests for about 2 decades. These were actually the reasons, and they were actually the most pivotal catalyst behind the collapse, behind the shattering of the government. At the end, I must show my feeling that my heart cries out to see the injustice when the sacrifice of Afghans that they have made taken for granted. Don't be so unjust to give this credit of getting sovereignty from the Western troops, from the Western world, to an individual by indoctrinating the mindset of ordinary folk. Thank you so much. If you have any other reasons of the collapse of the government, I want you to just share it with us.